The Indian national flag is the symbol of our national pride. It represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of our country.
कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा भारत भूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, ये प्रतीक हिंदुस्तान की आन और शान का है। तो इसी आन और शान के साथ चलिए हमारे साथ अगले चरण की तरफ।
Dr. Lajpat Rai to address the gathering. Please, sir.
On this very auspicious day for all of us, the Independence Day, 15th August, let me wish you a very, very happy good morning. First of all, I wish to thank our principal, our manager, Mr. Ashwin Kumar, for providing me this opportunity on this very big day to be able to be not only with you, I am part of you, but be able to share my thoughts with you. I congratulate all of you, including myself, as the citizens of this great country, for being part of this nation and be able to celebrate this day, which was achieved after big, great sacrifices by all our freedom fighters, down the ages I would say, but certainly starting from, if we talk of the British era, 1857. The program is excellent, given by the previous participants. Whether it was the performance by the students of Hindu Putri Pathshala, excellent. Initially, I didn't personally recognize that they were from Hindu Putri Pathshala. They are very much part of us, part of this school, and very good performance. I was asking our principal whether they have been coached by an outsider or by their own teacher. I was informed that its coaching is done by their own teacher. Excellent, very good. And the Hindi speech by Rishabh, really marvelous. It was so inspiring. He is an asset to his family, first to himself, to the school. And I'm sure he will do very well in time to come. He has very good command on the diction, the pronunciation, command on the whole language, and the way he presented. And it was a lengthy poem, it was not a short poem. Very good. Our sportsmen have also done good this time, although it was just Commonwealth Games. But compared to the previous years, still a better performance. So I congratulate on behalf of all of us, you, the sportsmen. The national flag, our Tiranga, has been described, and we all know this is a symbol. We have to be very aware and also cautious most of the time that we give due honor to this symbol. It's a symbol of our pride, of our honor to the country. In fact, it represents the sovereignty of the nation. It is displayed, it is hoisted whenever a big event takes place on behalf of the country. Whether the sportsman or the mountaineer goes up the Mount Everest or anywhere else at place. In the World Games when they achieve medals and so on. So any important function is displayed, and we have to be very cautious that we give due honor. And it is for the protection of this symbol that our Jawans, they are eager to lay down their lives.